Subscribe to our channel BDJS Techies and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech news. So hey guys, this is Bharat here. Welcome back to another video in our channel. This will be our first video on PC related content. So let's start. Today I will show you the best possible 30k gaming PC build which can do 720p gaming, and it's also going to be a RGB build. So the components for the build are: the processor I have chosen is Ryzen 5 3400G, which have 4 cores and 8 threads, and it is a APU. That is, it comes with a much capable integrated Vega 11 graphics, which is great for this budget, and it will cost you around 9000 rupees. The next component is motherboard from Gigabyte, the AB350M Gaming Wi-Fi edition, which is perfect for this build, which will cost you around 6000 rupees. The RAM I chose is Corsair Vengeance DDR4 8GB RAM, which will cost you about 2500 to 3000 rupees. For SSD, I went with 240GB SSD from Adata. For HDD, you can go with 1TB Seagate Barracuda, which will cost you around 2500 rupees. For power supply, I am going with Cooler Master 450 watts PSU, which is sufficient for this build and cost you 3000 rupees. The next component is optional for those who don't want RGB effect, can skip this and save some money. But the RGB fans we are going with is from Cool Moon RGB fan set, which will cost you around 2500 for 3 fans. And finally, to put all this component together, we need a case. So I am going with a simple RGB case from Ant Esports, which will cost you less than 3000 rupees. When you sum up all these things, you get a budget of around 31k. So this is the best possible 30k build, which I have told you. So that's it guys. Hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe and like our channel. This is Bharat signing off. Stay safe.